I'm not a Barbie. I'm a brat. And it's a brat way. Duh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be about lash application. A few people have been hitting me up wanting me to make a video about how to apply lashes. So I'm gonna do the most easiest, most simple way to apply your lashes. And yeah, so continue watching. So you're going to need about 4 utensils for this process. You're going to need a bobby pin. You're going to need your lashes, of course. You're going to need some glue adhesive, and you're going to need a mirror. A mirror is number 1. Please have a mirror, because without a mirror, baby, I don't know what to tell you. And tweezers is optional. I use hair glue. This is my preference. You should find a glue that you like, that you prefer. I prefer hair glue. It sticks better for me. You could use duo glue. Duo glue is also extremely good. So what you're gonna do is dip some of it into your glue, or pour some glue onto your hand and dip like that. Now you want to take your mirror, look extremely closely, and you want to apply the glue onto your lash line. Make sure your lashes are clean also, because they won't stick that good if they're not that clean. Trust me. You're going to take some glue and just lightly put some on your lashes. Don't go too heavy, simply because you already have glue on your eyelid. But work fast, especially if you're using the hair glue. You want to go a little bit, have some speed with it. Yeah,
you want to get as close as possible and put it directly onto your lash line.
And you want to apply your lashes straight, because if you put them on like this, that's how they're gonna look crazy. So apply them straight. The corner of my eye over here didn't quite stick, if you can see. So just take your bobby pin, dip it into some glue, and just and put it onto your boom, boom. I hope this video was very useful for you guys. Let me know if you want any more tutorials or how-tos on videos. And that's all for today. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you.